Hello, everyone. This is Juliet Lovely Family TV. I greet you
Okay,
all according to your time. Please, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that. God bless you. Thumbs up and press the notification button, guys. I'm here to talk about different type of people. Yeah, different type of people, guys. I'm here to talk about spirit of jealousy. Spirit of jealousy is not nice. When you are having those spirits of jealousy, especially when you have a friend that have that spirit of jealousy, trust me, guys, anytime you put on something, she must always complain. She must always complain because she have that spirit of jealousy. Spirit of jealousy, it will not lead them to anywhere. If you know that you have some friends that having those spirits, it no need to take much time for you to know them. Spirit of jealousy, those things that they can't afford, those things that you are doing, those things that you are doing, they know they can't afford it, they can't do it. They will have that spirit of jealousy. They will have that spirit of jealousy, guys. Trust me. Where the spirit of jealousy is starting from, it will start from the clothes you put on. Ha, my friend, you even buy this cloth, do not tell me. Now, wow, what a friend for. Although not be say e fit you, e no fit you, that spirit, e don break am. Spirit of jealousness for me, na disease. Spirit of jealousy na disease. If you know say you no fit afford that thing wey be say your friend put on, ask her, my friend, you know say I like this cloth, abeg anytime when you see am, buy am for me, abeg. For you to even say that, e won't take you anything. E won't take you anything, guys. Beware of people that have that spirit of jealousy. People get that spirit too much. Even this YouTube kpakpa wey be say e dey there for your house. YouTube dey everybody house. E dey everybody phone. YouTube be like key when you take dey open your door. First door, second door, even some people have more than 3 doors to enter their flat. They have 3 keys to enter their flat. That is how YouTube is. First step, second step, the third step. E just be like YouTube people go still dey get spirit of jealousy wey be say time you spend, time when you start even dressing more than the way you were dressing before, when you start doing things more than the way you were doing before, they will start the spirit of jealousy. They will be asking you every time, you pay, are they paying you now? Are you receiving now? No. If you see that your friend that is pushing effort or something, he didn't inform you that they have start paying her or him, you just calm down. If you want to start the same level that your friend is doing, so that you will not have BP before your time, just ask her, my friend, how are you doing it? How did you start this thing? Please, can you put me through? Don't have that spirit of jealousy, guys. There are many friends that have that spirit of jealousy. If you know you are those kind of people, it won't lead it to anywhere. I'm telling you guys, there are spirits of jealousy. There are some people that they will see something in you. Sometimes, me, I'm a kind of person that love putting different hair. Don't jealous me, guys. It's my way. It's kind of person I am. I love it. If you need it, I will also put you, see where they buy out, see where they afford down. It's not too cost. Affordable. Because me they put on different one, you feel say na big money I dey use. No. Now the way your hand reach, now you go still take buy reach. The way your pocket reach. Huh? Don't be having those spirits of jealousy. Don't be jealous your friend. It's not nice. It's not nice, guys. When you admire, it's different than you are jealous in that person. Me, sometimes they admire something, I'll say, wow. Especially when I go shopping, I see bag, I see shoes. I be person when they like collection of shoes, collection of bag. Don't worry, guys. There is a day I will show my wardrobe of bag. I have having all those things. Let me say maybe 2 years plus, or 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I'm still having those bags. Anytime I'm not using it, you will feel, you don't still go buy new one. Wow. No. Sometimes I always afford my thing when there is a sales. We call it rebaha. I save money for rebaha. I save money for sales always. I'm a worker. I save money. And you know that I'm a worker. I can afford it. I can buy it anytime. Don't jealous. It's not nice. It's not nice. Anytime your friend put on something, you just build that spirit of jealousy. You just use your mouth to condemn the person. The cloth you put on, not even fit yourself. Not fit you, because if this is a person will get big nyash now, like me, go your fit me. If this is a person will get big boss now, you go fit me. Don't use your mouth to bring somebody's down. Don't use your mouth to bring someone's down. It's not nice. It's a spirit of jealousy. It's a spirit of jealousy, guys. Anytime you are moving out with some people, try and wash well. Wash them very well. Carry your eye. Wash them. Check them. Because if you know, say, this thing she go like, hey, may I still try? May I buy two? You go even try buy two self. You go even say, my friend, have this thing for yourself. You go even use that mouth, condemn that thing. This thing, you know, see the other one when you go be like this, when you walk like this, when you big like this, or when you be, you know, for you to appreciate, appreciate it first. This one are little, maybe the way you say appreciate, other one are still coming. You now, I'm your boy now in my dial lines. You can't afford it. Please, guys, anytime you are moving out with friend, wash it very well. Like anything you put on, sometimes even paints when they put for our mats, you go your mats, you go bless saying, no, you go bring, if you say your mats big small now, your lips go fit you. Me, I try am, you go even try am. Spirit of jealousy is not nice. Keep yourself out away from spirit of jealousy. Jealousness is a disease. People when they jealous a friend, things when you know say you no fit afford, and this your friend they afford and they do everything. Me, I know they buy too much thing when it too cost, but if e reach the time when sales dey rebaha, me I fit spend all my money there, because I believe say I go still use am time to come. And this kind of people always say, you too dey like sales time, you too dey like rebaha. Even the country we are living, they also use that opportunity to have what they don't have before. Don't have that spirit of jealousy. Don't criticize anybody. Leave that person alone. Leave that person alone. How you say buy the thing o? You know they buy when sales no dey. You know they buy when rebaha no dey. Now always rebaha. What is your problem? Why are you saying those things? What is your problem? Is it your problem? Face your own. Let me buy it the time I want, because me, I have many people when they buy for. Not be only for me. I still have 3 more. Now still my expenses. My children is my expenses. That is why I save money from the time I want to use that money. It's good to buy anytime, but as for me, I like when they sales it time. That is when I save my money. Don't be jealous. Don't jealous. Wetin you no fit afford, no go kill yourself. Person go even try make still do am for you, but accept it like that. Don't jealous. You no fit afford that, you no fit do am, you no fit do am. Not always you will be complaining about your friend. You too dey spend. Not be your husband money dey spend, so now wow, suffer dey spend money o. Save for a rainy day. Say there is a rainy day. I spend always when there is a sales time. It's just 2 times in a year. Okay? And the children, they are growing every day. You have to spend for them. The money, we are not taking it to anywhere. This earth is the way we are using our money. It's only this earth. No other places that you can enjoy your money. If you know you can't afford it, don't jealous. Take that spirit of jealousness away from you. Anything when person put on, accept it. If you see say maybe a pant they show inside, call her. Tell her, sister, sorry. Just like that. This thing when you wear, this thing the show, no vessel. You just tell her. Don't be say you can't use man, spoil the person, tear am, pieces am, see am. No the shame. Character. You don't still bring her come and see wetin he wear, see yan. No, don't do that. Don't jealous your fellow human being. Don't jealous them. Don't criticize anybody. You don't know when your own mistakes go still come out. Everybody have mistakes. Everybody. So if people friend when you dey move out with, you get all those kind spirit of jealousy. Beware. Beware, my friend. Beware, my people. Thank you all. Thank you. Please, guys, leave your comments in my comment section. I will get to you back. Thank you, everyone. Stay blessed.